Understanding Academic Support, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very important topic, especially for students: academic support. If you're curious about what it means and how it can benefit you in your educational journey, you're in the right place. Let's unpack this concept together. Academic support refers to a wide range of educational strategies, services, and resources provided to help students succeed academically. This can include tutoring sessions, study groups, workshops, and even online resources. The main goal is to enhance the learning experience, making it more effective, efficient, and enjoyable. Tutoring services. Personalized help from a tutor can make a big difference. Tutors typically help with understanding complex topics, preparing for exams, and improving study skills. Study groups. Joining a study group allows you to collaborate with peers. It's a great way to share knowledge, ask questions, and learn from others. Workshops and seminars. Schools often organize workshops on topics like research skills, time management, or specific academic subjects. These can provide valuable insights and skills. Online resources. Many institutions offer online resources such as educational videos, practice quizzes, and interactive learning modules. 1. Improved grades. Regular academic support can lead to better understanding of material and improved performance on assignments and tests. 2. Enhanced study habits. Learning from experts and peers can help you develop effective study strategies. 3. Boosted confidence. With the right support, students often feel more confident in their academic abilities. 1. Check your institution. Many schools have a learning center or academic support office. Visit them to learn about the resources available. 2. Online platforms. Look for reputable online platforms offering tutoring or study resources. 3. Ask your teachers. Don't hesitate to ask your teachers for advice on finding the right academic support. Thank you for watching. We hope this video sheds light on the importance and benefits of academic support. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength and a step towards success in your academic journey. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Happy learning!